Okay, we're back. Welcome to A Plains Built. Okay, just carry this down the steps. Okay, we're going to unbox this WEN spindle sander, oscillating spindle sander, model 6510T. That's the model number. So let's get to unboxing here. And hopefully, I've had this stuff for a while, but with work, just haven't had time to get to the unboxing. Next week, next Friday, I'm driving to Chicago because I'm picking up all the material to build the CNC table. The parts is coming in from China, so I might record my trip there. I'm taking the truck there to pick all the stuff up. So here's the packing list, and here are the instructions. Again, another man's opinion. So let's open this up and see what we got. Vacuum. Okay, so what we have is our sanding discs, multiple sizes. From little bitty 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 bitty. It's like a blonde. Okay. And so we should have, those should correspond with those. Now I saw one video where a guy was he got these, and he actually I'll show you what he did, which I don't understand it. These right here should correspond with those. Now what he did was, he took one of them, which I know he regrets now after he did it, and he opened up one of these holes because he didn't think that they were proper for the sanding discs. So he opened up like that hole there so that it would fit that one, when in actuality you should have one of these for each one of these holes. So you don't have to open them up. There's no need to. If you see, you have one for each one of these, right? So you have no need to open. But I know, I watched the video, and he opened that one up to fit that one or something. I don't know why he did it. Don't know what he was thinking. And here's your rubber drum right here, and you should have rubber drums for all of them. There's your big rubber drum. Your smallest one don't have one because it goes right on the spindle part. Okay, them are pieces. There's some pieces right there that go to something for this. I'm sure they're for this, for something. We'll figure that out in a minute. Or they're extra. You know, you always have extras. So you have maybe for that one, or for that one. No, it's for that one. So that one, stay there. Okay. And that one. And it's the smell of rubber in the morning. That one. And that one. And like I said, you won't have one for that one because that's the spindle itself. So we're done with this. No parts left, nothing on the inside. Okay. Now we have to get this out of the box. And I'm thinking, why fight it? Let's just open the box up. And well, maybe not. Oh, come on, break. Oh, you're not gonna break, are you? Okay, well, we'll do it that way. There we go. Now, we're gonna pull this out of here and move this out of the way. And you can go over there. And we're gonna take this out of here. Hopefully. There we go. Take that out. And I chose this one because I like the color. Actually, they're all the same. There's like 5 different models and they're all the same. This one here, and I've seen guys take this off and actually put this right on a bench and make this part of the bench and leave this base totally off of it, and it worked out really well. It was pretty nice. They make a bottom board, and then I would make it flush. I would want something that could move all over the bench, so I'd have a long piece I could work it. But they actually had a lip, like put a piece of 3/4 underneath it, mounted it, and then another 3/4 on top of it for their bench, which then left a lip. Then it can't hit, you know, you'll be hitting it and it'd be off the bench. So I would want it level totally with the bench if I did that, which I might do. I don't know yet. It would just be, this would just be in the way. So, and it's kind of neat the way it works, because it's got like 2 humps, and the humps just go over top of each other, and that's what makes the oscillating work. If you can see that, it just kind of goes, I don't know if you can see it, you can't get a cover on it, but it's just got like 2 humps that kind of like this, and it goes over top of it, and that's what makes your oscillation as it goes around. It humps, goes around, humps, goes around, humps, and that's what makes that go up and down. It's just riding over these humps. So that's what gives you your oscillation. So there's your key. A lot of these keys used to come out to make it for safety, but they don't do that no more, I guess. Make them kind of look like an E-stop, but it's not really an E-stop. Okay, let's look at another man's opinion on what we're supposed to do here, so we know. It's fairly simple, because there's only like 3 things you have to do. Let's see. Come on. Give me the page I need. I'm almost sure, if I was a betting man, that you drop that right on there, and that makes your base. Just like that. And then you're going to put on your, whichever one of these you want to use, which, say that one. And then you got different size washers for your different size pieces there. So that would work for that one. And you take your little piece here, tells you what size, drop it on there. Your sandpaper barely fits on there, just like that. Then you're going to take your washer and your lock washer, lock washer, and you're going to put your nut on there. Like so, and it should have enough force to hold itself down when you tighten it up with the wrench. And when you tighten the wrench up, that pushes down on the rubber, which then makes your okay. So let's plug her in, see what we got. That was fairly easy. Now, from what I understand, these hold your, there we go, these hold your little things, and maybe they hold your sandpaper too. You put them on there, why would you not have your sandpaper on there, right? They'll hold that and your sandpaper at the same time. So that way when you pop it up, you've got everything ready to roll. Kind of like that. Okay. And then you're going to have your little small one here. It's going to be right there. And let's put the big one on. I hope the camera angle is right. Okay. And then these obviously go in these right here. And then you got the one up there, which goes right there. Okay, so let's get this done, turned on, see what we got. And here we go. Nice. Let me see if I got a piece of wood somewhere. I don't want to use those. I don't believe I have any wood laying around, scrap wood anywhere. So, can't really test it right now. Maybe I've got a piece over here. Parts I've got. There we go. Nice. We have stuff like this to do. Okay, nice. All right, and that's why I got this, because I make a lot of these parts here, which this is templates to make these. These are the templates to make these, and this is actually one that I made out of these templates. So this is